In today's tutorial, we're going to quickly change a video background using a free mobile app called InShot, that too within just 3 minutes. So let's begin. I'm on my mobile screen. First, I'll have to go to Google Play Store and type InShot. This is a free app. Here you will have to install. I'm opening it. Then I'll have to select video, then new, and then you'll have to first select the background which you want to replace. Yes, this is the background. Next, I will go to PIP, and then I'll have to select the original video. In my case, I'm going to select this one. Now carefully you'll have to enlarge it corner to corner in order to fit it to the screen. This is best option for reel. Next, I'll have to go to chroma option right here, and then I'll have to take the pico and take the color of the background and just adjust the strength and shadow like so that the background is seamlessly removed. For this video, I don't have any shadow. So once it is done, see, in a blink our video background has been changed flawlessly. So this is the easiest way to change your video background within just 2 minutes right from your mobile app. Once you're done, go to save and you can save your video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Don't forget to download Vector Media mobile app, which is available for Android users. Join my WhatsApp group. I'll see you on my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.